Hello, everybody, and welcome to tonight's lesson on question number 3. I thought I'd do this because I'm not going to be at school on Wednesday because I'm still under the weather and I shouldn't have been there today. So, folks, if you get sick, I'm afraid it's my fault. But of course, I may be sick because it might be your fault. Anyway, so today we kind of went over this already, but you guys did. The presentation, well, of course, that's where you guys always sit, is right there. What I wanted you guys to do is talk about, did you have a good struggle today? And remember that the whole idea behind these projects is that you are meant to struggle. These are not meant to be done easy. They're not meant to be done fast. They're not meant to be done quickly. You're meant to struggle. And each day we work on a question. I want you to struggle with it a bit. You need to do some research. You need to figure out how the best to answer the question. Not just write things down and think that's the best answer, because that's not the point of what we do. Um, Remember, quotes are extremely important. Okay, know what a quote is. All right, and when to use it. All right, the quote to the right here, which I was directing you guys here, is would be great if the tap lock was for me to be used on a construction site, but probably not a really good thing if I'm marketing to students in the locker room. So, or using it for lockers and things. Today's question was, what were the other possible products that did the same thing as your chosen product? Explain how your chosen product is an improvement on other similar products shown at CES. And how is your chosen product better than what is on the market today? And that's what you guys are doing for homework right now. Hopefully question 1 is done. Question 2 is being worked on because we're going to be talking about question 3. So question 3 is, what is the plan for this product to succeed? That means the product that you chose. What is the company's plan to make it successful? Okay, and this year we didn't really get to talk about it, but a lot of the products are piggybacking on other successful products. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. How will the industry change because of it, if at all? How will lives change, improve, or become more difficult? Because in some cases, some of these products might end up taking jobs. Okay, and that's what I said. Example, will jobs be lost because of this new product? So let's get out of that. I'm not sure what happened when I went to there, and I was going to show you a couple of things. First of all, when looking at question number 3, you can't ignore the fact that we're looking at trends in tech. Okay, most of what happens, a lot of people blaze their own trails. A lot of people try to do something different and be noticed for that reason. But a lot of people piggyback their product on what's already out there. So let's look at some trends here. So if we're looking at some trends, we can see convertible tablets and laptops. Well, how many people had products that kind of did or talked to that? Smart home devices, a lot of people piggybacked on that smart home device idea. Okay, did your product follow that? Because that is how they attach. They're attaching themselves to a successful platform like Alexa or Google Home, um, that their product might be better adapted. Now, I myself has the Sonos One at home, and the Sonos One is a speaker that I like because I like music, but it also is going to be used by Alexa. I can also use Google Home with it eventually, and then HomeKit or the HomePod if Apple ever comes out with that. So those are 3 things that I can use with one device. And the Sonos One got my money because I can do all 3 things with one device. Okay, so Sonos had a good marketing plan and a good idea to make it successful. What is your product's plan? Okay, augmented reality, companion robots, artificial intelligence, health sensors, very big. One group is doing 5G technology. Obviously, that's going to be there. So there are a lot of different articles, and I'll put these articles in the actual email to you guys tonight. All right. So this is number one, is that how is your product piggybacking on what is already hot and successful? Okay, so then you actually really have to start looking at the other answers. Are they just looking to get a piece of the pie? Right? I mean, are they really looking to change the industry, or are they just looking to try to get some of the industry money? You know, because some of these products are not necessarily out to change the world. They're just trying to make a quick buck, you know. So is that your product? That's where it goes. That's why you got to dig a little bit. Also, let's not sleep on the fact that some of these will be answered when you guys have to connect with the company if you haven't already done that. And the whole idea of connecting with the company is that if you can't find anything specifically in articles and um, videos or podcasts, then asking the company directly is what makes you think that, you know, and from an entrepreneurial point, because remember, you're an entrepreneur and looking at this through an entrepreneur, how are they going to be successful? All right, and that's really, really the mindset I want you to have. And when you ask the questions, that's exactly the way I want you to go. So anyway, question 3 is for tomorrow. It'll become Wednesday night's homework. Hopefully, I'll be back Thursday if I feel better, you know, because Matthews doesn't want me back until I feel better, and he doesn't want to get sick. Goodness. So anyway, all right. So I hope this helped. Email me, text me if you have any questions, as always, and stay healthy. Talk to you soon.